Hey, this is Keith at Half Tracks and Honeybees, and as you can see behind me, we got a bit of a swarm going on here. Our video today shouldn't be very long. I'm going to spray these ladies down with a little sugar water and drop them in a cardboard nuke and transport them up to a hive. At least that's the way I hope it's going to work. We shall see. I don't know how many are inside the box, but there's certainly quite a few on the outside of the box. I'll take a little video of how big the cluster is here in just a minute. So anyway, here we go. This will put me up to 30. I wanted 20. We just swooshed right past 20. Welcome to beekeeping, right? Okay, here we go. Well, this is a pretty good sized cluster. It's not huge, but it's not tiny. And I don't know how many bees are inside the box. Don't know where the queen's at. But we're going to figure it out. I'm going to dress out because they're starting to get a little agitated. It's kind of a cool, cloudy day. Little breeze blowing. Got cold last night, so they might not be in a good mood. So we're going to dress out just in case. Okay. Well, first off, we're just going to spray them down good with some sugar syrup. And then I'm just going to try to drop them into a little cardboard nuke box, and we'll transport them up to the big hive like that, instead of trying to get a hive down here and drop them in the hive on this angle. So first off, we're just going to spray them down with some sugar syrup. Okay. And now we're just going to kind of scoop them into this box. Kind of like that. And I'm going to spray them down a little bit more in the box. That'll give them something to do for a little bit. I'm looking for the queen too. So you can see, got a pretty good pile of bees here. Hope y'all can see that. Okay, now we'll open up the little doors on the nuke so they can get some air. Then we'll let them land back for a little bit. And I actually brought a second box, so I don't have to keep opening that first box that has the majority of the bees. And we're going to get some more of these in it. Then I'm going to have to get that box down and see how many bees are actually in it. There's a lot going in and out the hole over here, but I don't really know. They'd already started building a little comb over here. Can y'all see that? I'm going to take the box down so we can see what's going on in the box. Let me get the camera turned around so we can all be surprised together. Yeah, there's a few bees in here. Okay, I'm just going to, there's a couple of, looks like a couple of frames of bees. Let me see what the camera angle looks like there. Yeah, that's not bad. I'm going to spray these frames down with a little sugar water too. Okay, well, I'm going to put this box back together right quick. I'm going to move this. You know, we still have a few flying around over here. We'll let them gather back for a little bit. We'll put a little sugar syrup on them and knock them in a box, and then we'll go dump them all in a new hive. Okay, we'll let them gather back for a little bit. We're going to go ahead and go up the driveway and get these ladies in a proper box. Okay, so we got our 10 frame box up here. I've got a little bit of something over the entrance, so hopefully they'll reorient and not go back to where the other box was. I've got us a hole here. I'm going to put the drone comb that's in that one nuke box here in the center. I've got a pollen patty to go on top of them, and we'll dump all the bees in and put another frame in. So we'll see how it goes. Okay. That'll give the queen a little bit of room to lay. We've got a few bees here. We'll have to take the inside of the box apart to dump them out good. Now, some of these bees are going to fly back down to the to where the swarm box was. That's kind of a given. Got a pollen patty here. I'm going to put another box on here, and we're going to put some feed on. Ow. So they can draw some comb for us. So I'm going to make a hole right here in the middle to dump the bees, and we'll see how it goes. Y'all ready? quite a few right here. I'm going to take a quick look for the queen. Seems like I never find the queen when I have a swarm. And it still works out okay. Okay, here comes the big dump. Raised up a little bit in the middle here. That's the pollen patty. We're going to get a lid on. Going to put some sugar syrup on. They're not trained very well. Well, we'll just have to trap a few of you and I'll come back and get you later. Okay. Well, we'll see how that does. First time I've done it this way. We'll see if it works out or not. I know some good points and bad points about how we just did it, but I didn't really have another choice. The way I couldn't put hold the hive under it while I was scooping the bees. I couldn't pull the whole box down because there were bees underneath it. So thought this was the best option. We shall see. If they all go back to the other place, then we'll just do it again. Anyway, there you have it. We'll see how it works out. Well, that was pretty easy. Everything kind of went to plan. Didn't have any big hiccups or anything. I did take one frame of brood out of a resource hive and put over in the box to kind of anchor them there. I'm sure they like that. So that swarm should be just fine. Didn't see the queen, but we'll go back in a few days and see what it looks like. Maybe make a video and see how they did. Put some syrup on them and some empty foundation. Had heavy wax on it. So I'm sure they'll take off and draw that out. So we shall see. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you like my channel. And please make sure you always take time to enjoy the buzz. Y'all take care. See you later.